Once you have shortlisted your ideal property, here's what happens next. Start by making an offer or reserving the property with a booking fee. This signals your commitment to the seller or the developer. Once your offer is accepted, the seller's solicitor will issue a sales contract usually within 3 to 5 days. You can also engage your own solicitor to review the contract. You will sign a contract of sale, typically subject to FIRB approval, and pay a 10% down payment at this stage. Next, apply to the FIRB, the Foreign Investment Review Board. For this process usually incurs a fee starting from $14,700 at the time this video was made. Once approved, the contract then becomes unconditional. For completed properties, settlement typically occurs within 60 to 90 days from the date of the sales contract. For off-the-plan properties, the timeline will align with the project's completion schedule. If financing is required, start your application about 4 months before settlement to ensure smooth process. On settlement day, the remaining 90% of the purchase price, along with statutory costs like stamp duty, is paid. The property's ownership is then transferred to you through the PEXA online settlement platform. Engage experienced professionals like solicitors and property advisors to streamline the process and address any challenges. Stay proactive with financing, FIRB approvals, and settlement preparations. Ready to start your journey? Contact us if you need some guidance.